Hi guys, it's been a while since the last video. Just wanted to show you my latest watch, which is the Citizen CC5001. This is yet another satellite wave GPS watch from Japan. Beautiful green dial diver. This watch comes in green, blue and a new red dial, but I'm still missing my green PMD 56, so I thought I'd treat myself to the green dial. Just got a few macro shots here just to show you the detail you get on this watch. I've actually noticed that when using macro lenses and really zooming in, the Citizens do seem to be better finished than the Seikos at this price point. This watch can be found online for somewhere between $1,000 and $1,500 depending on where you get it and what time of year, that sort of thing. You can see the finish here is absolutely perfect. Green dial is a bit more vivid green than the PMD 56, which is a darker, almost black dial. And you can see these big chunky hands here, which makes the watch extremely legible, which obviously is very important when using it as a dive watch. And speaking of chunky, you can see it here on my 7¼ inch wrist, looking every bit a dive watch, with the dial coming in at 57 millimeters. It's on a silicone strap, which is very comfortable, quite similar to the strap that comes on the CC3060, which you might have seen in one of my previous videos. And if you look at the back here, you can see it's the F158 movement, which is the update to the F150 movement found in the CC3060. And I did notice it to be a little bit faster acquiring the GPS satellites. Now, just for a quick overview of the watch, or an overall look of the watch, you can see the silicone strap there. The watch itself, it actually sits a little bit lower on the wrist than you might imagine. It's got a polished top part and brush side there. Just a normal solid dive watch style back. It's a sapphire crystal. You can see the Promaster insignia on the crown there, and a high polish, almost glossy look to the pushers, the screw down crown and the bezel, which really makes this watch sparkle in the sunlight. I wanted to show you the action of the bezel. It's 1 click per second, very solid, and you can see it finishing here absolutely bang on the 12 o'clock mark. Again, incredible detail when you zoom in to the macro scale on this watch. And this is a demonstration of the watch finding itself. So when it arrived, it was not set to Sydney time, as you might imagine. So pressing that top right pusher and holding it, the hand goes to the RX GPS, which starts the watch looking for GPS signals. I'm outside here. You can see it finding Sydney there with the second hand clicking to Sydney, and then the time resuming. And the only weakness these GPS watches have got without a connection to a smartphone is that they don't know when daylight saving starts and ends in each time zone. So to manually set that, you unscrew the crown to the first click and then use the bottom left pusher. This toggles between daylight savings on and off. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Let's just close out with one final gratuitous macro shot of the lume there, and have a look at that typical Citizen lume with interesting application of lume to the hour and minute hand. All right, thanks very much for watching the video. I hope to see you very soon for the next one. Bye all.